Hello friends, welcome to Salmon Sugar, and this video is an extension of part 2 for the earlier video which I had made on income tax rule relating to stock market traders. If you have not watched that video, please watch the video and then come back to this video, otherwise you will not understand what I'm going to talk about in this video, since this is a part 2 video. In the first video I have explained a lot of things about turnover, what are the rules applicable for a stock market trader if he trades in options, futures, on margin money, intraday, and all the other things that you need to know. Today we are going to talk only about one aspect which I missed out in that video, is with regards to tax audit. Now a lot of viewers have come to me and they have reminded me about a particular section which says that tax audit is compulsory irrespective of your turnover being less than 1 crore. So I had to do a research by myself to understand whether this information is true or not, and I found out subsection 1 of section 44AD states a list of things which you will see in the next slide. Doesn't make sense. Then we have another section, subsection 5 of section 44AD. You can have a look at it. What does it state in the next slide? As you can see in the previous slide, my understanding on subsection 5 of section 44AD is that if your profit is less than 8% of the turnover, okay, and the word and is used, and your total income, if it is above the taxable limits, and you have paid tax, listen to me carefully, and all three conditions. So it is less than 8%, okay, your income is above taxable limit, okay, and you have paid tax, okay, then you are not liable for tax audit. Now that is a big bouncer to a lot of people who are trading in stock market. I was under the impression that if your income is not above taxable limit, then you are not eligible for tax audit. The proper condition is that 1, if it is less than, your profits is less than 8% of the turnover with, let's say, loss, okay, tick. 2nd, your income is above taxable limit, possible, I am a salaried employee. 3rd, if you are paying tax, yes, I pay tax on my salaried income, then you are not liable for tax audit. So this is subsection 5 of section 44AD, which you need to keep in mind before deciding whether tax audit is applicable or not. So if tax audit is applicable, then you have to maintain books of accounts as per section 44AA, and you have to get your books of accounts and your trading as well audited under section 44AB. While you are doing income tax filing, you have to just click whether you are applicable for tax audit, no, applicable to maintain books of accounts? No, but you have to maintain the details. You have to give basic details like your capital, your cash, your bank, your demat account balance, your profit and loss account. If it's a loss, you put it under assets as P&L debit balance. If it is profit, you put it under reserves. But you have to maintain, otherwise your e-filing will not be processed. One more thing which you guys need to keep in mind is that in case if tax audit is not applicable, then the due date for filing of return is 31st of July and not 30th September. So people who have the impression that I am doing a business but tax audit is not applicable and you file your return after the due date, the bouncer is you can't claim that loss in the next year because you have filed your returns after the due date. So make sure to file your returns before the due date. And I do the income tax returns for individuals and a lot of traders who have come to me. You can get in touch with me on samandsugar18@gmail.com. If you are feeling like it's too late, just file your income tax return, anything, right now before due date, and then you can later on revise return and file a revised return. So if you feel you have filed incorrect income tax return, just file it, just to say that I made it before due date, then you can revise it. So kindly do the needful. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions or assistance, you can put down in your comments, or you can get in touch with me on samandsugar18@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are going to come up with lot of videos relating to income tax, stock market, finance, audits this week and next week. Till then, bye. Take care.